Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another print quality test video, and today we got the Epson EcoTank 2800 model. I'm going to be printing out two separate pictures so that you get a good idea of the print quality that this printer is able to produce, and also the speed at which it's able to print photos. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Everything printer related is what you're going to find on this channel, from unboxings all the way to repairs. But if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now I'm going to be using some Epson photo paper. And when you're printing off photos, it's very important that you use the right settings. Now it is Memorial Day today as I am shooting this video. And so I am going to be using some Memorial Day photos with some American flags. So the settings, which is what I'm doing here, I'm going into the settings. Adjusting these is very important. Getting the right paper size, the type of paper. This is not regular plain paper. This is a type of photo paper. You're going to select that here. And then you're going to want to select your quality. You can mess with a lot of different things within the settings to get the absolute best photo quality, borderless or bordered prints. All those things are really going to determine the print quality. Now, I will say that the print speed with photos is very, very slow on this printer. It's probably not ideal for you to print photos or buy this printer if you're looking to print a lot of photos. The print quality was subpar. It wasn't the worst in the world, but it wasn't the best in the world. And so this is the second picture. This is a very short print quality test review. Again, it took a very long period of time for this photo to print out. I would buy this printer really for printing out documents. I know that this is an entry-level Epson EcoTank, so if you wanted better print quality with photos, if you wanted faster print speeds, because it's going to be a little slower on the regular documents as well, then I would just move up in the Epson EcoTank lineup. You're going to be paying more money, but you're going to be getting more features. Now, if you don't care that it prints slow, if you don't care that it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, then this is the right printer for you. Overall, the print quality is average or a little bit below average. I'm going to have to be totally honest here. I wasn't really surprised or really impressed with the print quality. However, if you still were interested in this printer, there's going to be a link for it. There's going to be a link for the photo paper as well. So I hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.